Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes easy to bypass a forgotten PIN or Microsoft account password in CMD with a local account. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Command Prompt. Type regedit. Select H key local machine. Click File, click Load Hive. Select Windows installed drive, in my case Windows installed drive is C. Open Windows, System32 folder, open Config folder. Select System, click Open. Type New Soft, click OK. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand New Soft. Click Setup. Open CMD line, change value data to cmd.exe. Open setup type, change value data to 2. Select New Soft. Click File, click Unload Hive. Exit and continue Start Windows. Type net space, user. 2 local user accounts are available, one admin, another one is guest. Create new user using this command, net space, user space, new admin space, 54321 space, /add. Add new admin to administrators group. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, new admin space, /add. Exit. Login with newly created user. Open File Explorer. Copy all files and programs shortcut from existing account to new account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.